Oh, Ipsita, I made something.
Yes, Sumangana, what did you make?
Arey, what happened to you?
What happened to me? You see this ring? I bought it from the expo the other day and the plating of the upper layer has gone and it's so annoying.
You know what I made is the exact perfect solution for this.
What did you make?
Come, let's see.
Ah, is this what I think it is?
Yes, this is a setup for electroplating.
I remember Manjuma ma'am telling us that when we plate one material with another metal, it is known as electroplating, isn't it?
Yes. Here, the copper is made the anode by connecting it to the positive terminal of the battery, the red wire.
Okay.
And the safety pin here is made the cathode.
So we'll plate the safety pin with the copper.
Yes.
Ah.
Let's see.
How much time do we have to wait?
Not much. Okay, so do you remember what Manjuma ma'am taught us about its uses?
I remember her telling that this plating is used for decorative items.
Yes, it is used to plate jewellery with expensive metals like gold and silver. And
ATM cards?
yes, the small minute chips are coated with a layer of metals like gold and silver.
Ah, so it's really interesting, isn't it?
Yes, so now what we're seeing here, the positively charged ions called the cations will shift and it will shift towards the anode. The negatively charged ions called the anions will move towards the anode. This will now be plated with copper.
Okay, so can we check?
Let's see.
Ah, is it how it's supposed to look?
Yes.
Isn't the safety pin looking pretty?
Yes. It has been electroplated with copper now.
So basically, while doing this experiment, it also depends on the temperature of the water, doesn't it?
Yes. The warmer the water, the more amount of the metal salt that we use, the faster it is.
Okay. Isn't it time for our...
Oh no, we're late for class.